Okay, you know who I am. I'm Beth the Builder. This video is going to be pretty short. We're going to do everything in one take, maybe. I don't know. Because I got other shit to do, and it's Thanksgiving. So I'm going to build a Christmas door decoration thing out of this old, shitty piece of plywood. So it's got a bunch of holes in it that I filled last night. And then it's going to be a circle, like, you know, Christmassy or whatever. So what do you need? I put a nail in the middle of my board, and then I used some string and a pencil to draw a perfect circle. Really simple. It's like making a big old compass? Protractor. That's what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna cut the circle and then like paint it white and put some like Christmassy shit on it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Cut a place right here to put a door hanging hook thingy. It like goes over the door and then it has a little hook on it. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, I'm gonna let my paint dry and then we'll stain the other side, and because then you get two different Christmas decoration type things in one. You just flip it over when you're tired of the first one. The first time I filmed this, I filmed it in time lapse, so it's just me being like, it's pretty cool, right? So I'm thinking to use quotes from one of my favorite Christmas movies, which is Christmas Vacation. I'm not super interested in sappy Christmas stuff, like hashtag blessed and Noel and like let it snow. So yeah, I'm thinking to do something snarky for Christmas on my door decoration because yeah, that's way more fun than generic "'tis the season" crap like that. So let's yeah, I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit and then I'll stain the other side and then we'll get to putting on our quotes. So happy whatever Thanksgiving. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it. Okay, I painted it, stained the one side, did my lettering with just a black paint marker type thing. And then you can put whatever the f you want on it. So Merry Christmas, shitter's full. I'm gonna end up touching up my lettering a little bit because there's some red paint that's a little bit wet on the back still. So because I had to fill some holes and stuff like that, that putty I used doesn't stain very well. So I just decided to put a big old red strip down the middle of that so that it kind of covers that it didn't stain the same. And then it just looks like even more Christmassy. So it's great. Alrighty, but yeah, good luck Black Friday shopping or whatever you end up doing day after Thanksgiving. Otherwise, give me a like and subscribe, all the normal things, and I'll see you guys next week with a new video. fucking whatever.